babalikan ko lang yung sabi ng coach ko. Every day, you be a better version of yourself. That's why you wake up early, you grind it out. Grind it out, work smart, and put in the effort. Only good things will happen.
Yep. Para sa balita lang yung coach, you're as good as your last story.
Exactly.
And you're as
At saka
good as your
laging
last game.
Tsaka laging may breaking.
Yes.
Kailangan lagi ka lang ready dahil may opportunity na susulpot at susulpot yan.
Eto, sumulpot sa depensa. Itong si Versosa. Blocked that shot by De La Rama.
So nakita mo kahit nag-retratan sila rito. Pagbalik, nandun pa rin yung depensa. Oh, good play. Good play right there off that baseline inbound.
Yeah, that's a knockout play. This time for Risho. That's his 13th point of the game.
So double high. Ito na naman Diver. Dribble kay Montaño. Corner entry. Ito, atake ito.
Villegas swings it to Montaño. Binalik sa taas. Villegas hesitates, pulls up, and makes the basket.
Yun yung gusto nila Pag nag-east-west sila, yung ball reversal. Pero ito, hinit yung corner, atake si Barba, bail out sa top, just one-on-one.
And right now, we have another report from Tati Austria. Tati.
Someone's drought has to break today. And the San Sebastian Stags are hoping it's their time to turn the tide in their favor. Coach Rob Labagala, you can sense his eagerness to win inside the dugout during that huddle. Sabi niya, he has to help his players clean up their mistakes and he is betting on them to be able to do that. We have to keep the game moving, ika niya. Kailangan i-convert ang execution ng laro para malagpasan nila ang LPU sa puntos at naniniwala siyang every single Stag is capable of stepping up and it's high time they do so. Nico and Martin.
Thank you so much, Tati. As we thought kanina na yung LPU will slowly getting away.
Pull away dito. Pero hindi mo wala kang sure na lamang dito sa NC Sabi De La Rama, double digits on the rebounds. Kinuhanan pa yung sarili niyang kuya. Si Kuya TJ. Corner.
Sabi ni TJ, dito ako sa corner. Ikaw ang rebound, ako ang i-score ngayon.
Isa pa to, si TJ Felebrico medyo off din ang start ng season. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Pero para for the good of their offense, he really needs to get going.
Si TJ, double-double man din yan of last season
yeah.
May mga game na double-double siya
Pero ngayon, he needs to expand his game more to be a little bit more of a playmaker.
Yep.
Kasi yan yung magiging opportunity niya on the next level.
As Risho running alone and he was fouled there by Montaño.
Inside hand. Akala ko ilalagay sa ring, ginamitan pa ng board. Inside hand.
Automatic na yun, no?
Hindi kasi ito pagkaagaw. Usually, kasi ito yung ganda ng galaw na yun, off the post. Just using his strong hand. Pero ito, yung off the transition. Ito yung one hand. Shot put.
Ni TJ Felebrico.
Pag ma-atake ka kasi sa fast break, especially if you're left-handed, you want your strong hand to the middle.
As Risho misses on the first shot from the line. We still haven't seen Rafael Are.
Nandun siya sa dulo ng bench, naka-jacket.
And there must be something.
Baka wala lang sa rotation ngayon. Kasi maganda yung nilalaro ng mga young boys
Lalo ni Ian Guahao.
Coach Rob.
Versosa hands it off to Barba. Now Moralejo calling the play here.
Parang phone call to.
Kala ko Siargao yung ganun
Hang loose na play.
Moralejo.
5 out.
Now Villegas, 7 to shoot. Moralejo free from the 3.
Basket.
Yes, sir!
Pasado at sigurado. Diretsong-diretso. Yung 3-point shot na yun ni Josh Moralejo. Pang-apat na 3-point shot ni Josh Moralejo. 16 puntos.
7 ang inahabol ng San Sebastian dito.
Ganda ng
Felebrico. Second try. Mintis pa rin para kay TJ.
Ito downhill.
Montaño at the post. Binigay kay Barba. Swings it to Moralejo. Versosa offering a pick here. Swings it to Villegas. Fakes. Dances from the 3. Again for LPU.
That was a tough shot. Trip. Step back. Dragging your feet. Then pulling up.
Parang nakita ko sa TikTok yung ganung trend.
Anak ko na lang yung may TikTok
Wow.
Nakiki-TikTok na lang ako
Ricio, ito na naman yung galaw ni Ricio sa ilalim. Gives it to De La Raman, nako. Huling-huli.
Naubusan ng espasyo.
Huli
Pero
pero
kita mo yung confidence ni Christian Ricio ngayon sa post-up. It goes hand in hand with getting a little bit more physically ready. Kasi pag tinignan mo siya and he gained a good amount of weight. Well, yun yung kailangan eh. Kasi pagka freshman ka, medyo balingkinitan yung katawan mo. Yung off-season, yun yung pinaka-importante. Magkakaroon ka ba ng sophomore slump o mag-improve yung laro mo? Definitely ngayon, nagdagdag siya ng timbang nakakatulong sa kanya.
at nag-improve ang laro.
Oo. Kasi yung skills madaling maturo eh. Especially pagka physically ready ka. Pagka wala ka sa kondisyon, kahit anong skill work mo, hindi mo ma-apply yan.
3 to shoot for LPU.
Really?
Moralejo from the corner. Misses.
Good recognition by Villegas. Alam niya na nasa
10 na naman ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian.
So-
Quahao pulls up and makes it this time.
good call out by Ian Quahao. But that miss was the first miss from 3 by Josh Moralejo.
12 points for Ian Quahao. Yun nga lang, 4 out of 14 from the field goal. Pero tira lang ng tira, mahuhulog yan.
Naman. Tsaka pag may green light ka, tira lang ng tira.
Tsaka yung bitaw ni Quahao, there will always be...
May tulog, no?
Yeah, oo, parang kala mo laging mahuhulog. And we will have a break first. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.
Okay. When we go, okay, when we go to our fans to shoot, huwag natin putulin yung ground. Okay? Christian shoots the ball right there. Siya ng monster. Siya ng monster. Huwag na tayo mag-ano. Kasi ngayon, kanina, nag-correct na tayo. Junior na nandito, DJ na nandito. Ian, improve your flanks mo. Okay? Papunta dito. Kaso lang, looks DJ. Nawawalan tayo sa gusto natin. Kaya pag-reverse dito.
We're back at the Mall of Asia Arena. This time, makita natin Attorney Roberto Laurel mula dito sa LPU. One of our NCAA policy board.
Yep. Always smiling, always amicable whenever we
Anong Tagalog na amicable po?
masiyahin.
Yeah.
Masiyahin. Welcoming yan. Okay? Ha? Gusto mo ba mas malalim? Ikaw, dahil ikaw ang aming kinapipita-pitagang punong abala sa larong
Sa larong ito. Still, LPU Pirates leading here 58-51, but we have seen a much more improved third quarter from San Sebastian. Care of this guy, Ian Quahao. Pulling off from the 3. Let's see if he can sustain up until the end at tuluyang mahabol. Itong LPU Pirates, Moralejo gives it to Kating Barba. Now Montaño swings it to the left. 4 to shoot. Moralejo. Di niya nakita itong shot clock.
Kasi pagka naglalaro ka on your front court, hindi ka doon nakatingin na shot clock. It's on the opposite shot clock. Doon ka dapat chumecheck. Kasi pag dito,
Di mo talaga
natatakpan
makikita.
ng angle. So sa kabila ang shot clock. That's one of the things na tinuturo pagka mga 10-year-olds na naglalaro. Good high-low action. And you gotta show Coach Gilbert Lau on the sideline because
Siya
he
nagturo
is
na.
the big man's coach. Ayan, yung matangkad yung 6'7 dyan sa gilid. He has been working tirelessly with these big guys. Kasi yung high-low look na yan, talagang you have to work on that, especially on the angles of passing. Kahit na malalaki, pag hindi marunong pumasa ng high-low, ang hirap paratingin ng bola doon. And they've been, ayan si Coach Gilbert, nasa kaliwa ni Coach Rob. That guy has been, I've been able to work with him, work with the big guys, and really a very smart and very tough coach when it comes to big men skill work. Kaya nag-improve itong si Ricio,
Ito si
physically strong, tapos nabibigyan na sila ng touches ngayon. Dati kasi rat-ratan tong San Sebastian, so nahihirapan makakuha ng touches yung mga bigs.
And right now, 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian dito as Villegas has the ball now. 10 to shoot for the LPU. Villegas pop shot.
Good challenge. Right-hand shooter, left hand up. Sa gilid ka lang para hindi ka matawagan ng foul. Good challenge by number 28 na Pasena. Pero may foul dito. On the crash board, si Castor, hinawakan niya si Versosa. Kasi si Versosa, ano rin to eh. Parang kitikiti, galaw ng galaw. So, even before the play, even before he crashes the board, you need to put a body on him na para he doesn't make a play for the ball. Kasi malamang sa malamang matatapik niya o makukuha niya.
And here's the Ileg. 7 to shoot. Hindi na naman yata nakikita.
As a travel.
Ang shot clock, pero naunahan na ng ibang violation itong LPU. A chance for San Sebastian to take advantage and move closer dito sa laban na to. Ian Quahao ni Pasena ang naglabas. Here's Gapat. Gives it to Quahao. Quahao, two-man game with Risho. Risho fires.
Good box out.
Tatakbo na si Moralejo. Versosa fakes. Daileg.
A free
From the 3. Misses. Tatakbo na itong San Sebastian. And with that, dalawa na lang ang hinahabol nila. Care of that shot by Lumanag.
Just forcing numbers and pulling up on the shaded area. You need to have that in your back pocket if you're a guard.
Turnover once again for LPU. Coach, we're trying to talk about San Sebastian turnover ng mga nakakaraang laban. Pero ngayon,
Mataas ang turnovers ng LPU.
yeah, 12 turnovers for LPU.
This lead was as high as 19. Okay, back to the drawing board. You only give up big leads when number 1, you take bad shots, you commit bad turnovers,
Yep.
and you give out bad fouls. Check dun sa tatlong yun, ang LPU, etong San Sebastian, hindi humihinto. Ngat-ngat lang ng ngat-ngat. And that's a characteristic of a young team. Pag bata yung team mo, parang JRU din, bata yung team, hindi hihinto eh. Wala silang pakialam sa score, gagawin lang nila ng gagawin yung pinagagawa ng coach nila.
Risho can tie this game. Tatakbo na itong si Moralejo. Natumba itong si Moralejo. Na-ankle breaker na sarili. Aviles.
Oh, good
Great
pick there
defense.
by Risho.
And Lumanag. Risho scores the basket to tie this game up at 58. Timeout muna rito ang LPU Pirates. Turnovers piling para dito sa mga Pirata. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. San Sebastian Golden Stags coming back in this game now. We are tied at 58. And the passing of the big man nitong San Sebastian Golden Stags, and also the fast break points para sa mga nakapula. Talagang gumagana para kay Coach Rob Labagala.
And they're forcing the tempo. They want to go faster, they want to score better. And they've been getting stops and providing friction sa opensa ng LPU. Biglang umalat yung shooting ng LPU here in the third quarter. Kasi sumikip din at naging mas demonstrative, mas active yung depensa ng San Sebastian. So we'll see how Coach Gilbert would adjust.
What you're seeing also from San Sebastian is they're really sharing that basketball well. They have 16 assists in this game kontra dun sa 12 lang nitong LPU. As Peñafiel scores the basket. pamatay sunog para sa
Aha.
LPU.
Kailangan na kailangan nila yun kasi second deadlock pa lang ng laro natin. Uy, good interior passing.
Ito na naman yung dalawang big man. As San Sebastian misses on that possession. Balik ang bola sa LPU. Peñafiel, curling. Force it. Nakagaw ni Gabat. Gabat takes it inside. That's good!
Ito rin, ang laki talaga na in-improve ng laro ni Gabat sa feel niya ng laro. Dati para maglaro to.
Yeah.
Ngayon, percentage player, he knows when to force.
May preno na, no?
Oh, marunong mag-minor.
As Moralejo answers from the 3. I think that's Moralejo's 5th 3-point shot in
5
this
out of
game.
6.
Lamang na naman ang tatlong LPU. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Gabat pulls up, misses. Ito na may offensive rebound. Lumanag makes it this time.
Stay dito si Lumanag.
With that, we have a close ball game in this third quarter. Moralejo against Quahao. Oh,
Good defense.
turnover once again from LPU.
Good defense by Ian Quahao. Just hounding him on the point of attack. As we see this attack by Simon Peñafiel, yung pansagot kanina. Yan susundan to ng 3-point shot. Same play. And binago to fast break.
And here's Gabat. Sabi ni Coach, wala na yung bara-bara tayo. Mas
Pero
kalkulado.
pagka
na.
nakaka-atake siya, alam mo madiin maglaro. Last season lang, talagang may mga reckless movements na ginagawa. May mga reckless shots silang tinitake. Pero no, ito ang ganda ng action na yun.
No good on that second serving para kay Nepasena.
Oh, ganda ng pagkaka-run nila ng back pick to brush screen sa handle.
And look at this. Ito yung tira ni Lumanag off the fake. Pulls up. The lost arc off.
Meaning,
Perimeter shot.
na-extend lang, humaba lang yung range. Dahil threes are better than twos. Kung may
Yep.
fours, baka 4 pa yung mga tinitira nila. Kaya sa Pro League natin, may ganun na.
Aviles from the 3. Can't make it. And the ball will go back to the red shirts.
Wala pa naman sila sa penalty.
26.2 seconds remaining. The ball can still go back to the Pirates.
Ian Quahao, Neil Gastor returning for San Sebastian.
Ito si Quahao, babad na babad dito, Coach. Feeling itong
Oh, next in line na yun eh. Sasagad mo na yan. Para masanay na siya na siya yung main guy on that guard position. Tsaka ang San Sebastian, laging may ganyan. Lagi talaga silang may mga
Backup, no?
Jasper Ocampo. Mga maliliit na guards na scorers.
10 to shoot for San Sebastian. Quahao steps back. Misses. 7 to shoot for LPU. Balingayan has the ball. 2 to shoot. Villegas. Pinasaba at hindi naaabot to. At the end of the third quarter, LPU still leading. Pero isa lang dito, 63-62 against the San Sebastian Golden Stags. Let's see if San Sebastian can complete the comeback. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Better third quarter for San Sebastian Golden Stags, scoring 21 points against that LPU's 13 points. Napakaganda ng ikot ng bola. Right now, they have 17 assists dito sa ating tatlong quarters. Tingnan natin if they can sustain dito sa huling quarter ng laro. They're down 62-63. Malayo pa ang basketball natin.
Ang dami pa nito. Saka ako, I like what Coach Rob is doing. And he's trying to use this younger squad. Ito, Lumanag ang magpo-point guard along with Polo Gabat. And De La Rama with Napasena and Risho. on the floor. Sa kabila naman, it's Villegas, Aurigue, Aviles, Barba, and
Palingayan.
Palingayan. No? Natago siya doon sa gilid. Di ko makita yun eh.
Ito si Gabat, nawala ang bola rito. Sayang doon.
Oo, hindi mo
Ang
kailangan.
possession.
Nagulat ako nag one-on-one.
Tapos sa gilid pa.
Ako sa gilid, mahirap yun. Mahirap na angle. Nabati ko yata na mas steady ngayon umexecute.
Si Palingayan, medyo short din ng oras dito sa laro na ito. Villegas finding Palingayan here. Aurigue pulls up, misses. Another stop from San Sebastian. This is their chance to get their first lead of the game. Risho, Lumanag pulls up, misses once again.
Golden opportunities yan. Pang-apat na possession na pwede sana sila lumamang.
Sabi ni Barba, akin muna. Aurigue with a pick. Trying to give it to Aviles, hindi lang maiabot. Nag-pick na lang si Aviles. Villegas takes it inside and he was fouled going up.
Parang nakasingle na motor yung singit ni Renz Villegas. Tingnan mo rito, ang sikip.
Pero hindi kamote yan. So,
Hindi.
calculated yan.
Tatlo yung humampas eh.
Abrigana is back in the game. After that, those 2 3-point shots on the first half, hindi na natin nakita itong si Abrigana. Let's see if he can make more sa ating fourth quarter as Villegas misses on that first shot. Medyo problema ni Villegas sa free throw this season. Lalo yung mga ganyang...
Well, the first game, he was shooting really well except for he missed an
Yeah.
opportunity to win the ball game
11 out of 13.
off a free throw. Pero yan naman yan, babawi. Ebbs and flows. Averages, you would shoot well one game, you might shoot bad another game, but the challenge would always be staying consistent.
Felibrico shrugs up the defense. Guahao to De La Rama. Blocked there by Renz Villegas. What an effort
Good
from
hustle.
Villegas. And right now, 3.7 seconds to shoot for San Sebastian. What are they gonna do here? Guahao with an inbound. What a play! Iyan lang.
Dito mamasa rin.
Mauubusan na ng 24 ang San Sebastian. But this time, we will have another report from Tati Austria. Tati,
This is the fourth quarter. This will be a test for you. Yan ang salitang binitawan ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan as the LPU Pirates are clutching on to every single bit of stamina they have left. Coach Gilbert is pushing his team to pass wisely but think fast during the huddle. Dagdag pa niya. Sayang naman ang pinaghirapan natin. Ibigay na natin lahat. Now, will they be able to break free from the San Sebastian Stags? Nico and Martin.
Martin.
Yeah. Only my grandmother calls me Martin. Hindi, yung lola ko, di na nga Martin tawag sa akin.
Lola Tati. As Villegas. gives it
Gulat
to
ka rin,
Barba.
no?
Oo. Sabi ko, kasama ko ba si,
Oo nga eh.
si Boss Martin?
Oo nga eh. Dapat din ako.
Hindi ako sanay, Coach. Yun lang.
Wala nang tumatawag sa akin nun eh.
Eto, si Tati.
Siya lang. So baseline inbound now for LPU with an opportunity to add on to this lead. Ngayon mo makikita sino yung mga kailangan mong dalhan ng bola para mag-execute. So ayan, pahawak mo kay Barba. Tahimik si Barba ng third quarter.
Barba, sabi niya, hindi na ngayon.
Yan.
As Barba gets the basket with a foul.
Kasi ang next progressions niya, pagka ikaw main gunner, main focal point, pagka nagkakaroon ng run na malaki yung kalaban, no, teka lang. We have to run our packages. It's not necessarily that I would make a basket, but I need to make a play. Might be on the defensive end, might be on the offensive end. Right now, shaky yung hawak nila sa lamang. Run a package for your best players, Villegas, Barba. Sa kabila, get looks for Quahao. Right now, Quahao, Felebrico, Ricio. Yan yung mga main guys mo sa opensa na maganda yung nilalaro ngayon. Kaya lang nagtatapon ng bola.
Look at the defense from LPU Pirates as Villegas
Good
loses
clean
the
play.
ball. And now Barba once again has the ball here. Gives it to Abregana from the 3. Misses. Nauna na si Delarama, malakas ang pasa.
Naubusan ng espasyo.
Ito na yung turnover na sinasabi natin for San Sebastian.
Kalma lang, mahaba pa yan. 7 minuto, mahigit pa yan.
Villegas misses on the jumper. Balik ang bola sa San Sebastian dito. Ricio. Pinilit ang tira but he gets a foul.
Ay, swing down.
Second foul at number 22.
Medyo di sigurado si Ricio on that attack kung anong gagawin niya. As
Kasi
we
kasi
see
4
here.
si Ricio, hindi pa ito nadadagdag sa skill set niya yung magdala ng bola pa atake. Ayan yung across the arm, foul talaga yan. Tatawag natin mga official, good job on our officials. Kasi it impedes the shot mabibitin. Pero nakita natin, if you're a guard, you're handling the ball, you should know the skill sets of your picks.
Yep.
Christian Ricio. Brad, huwag ka na humingi ng bola dyan, idiin mo sa ilalim, dadalhin ko sa'yo. Tapos, si Delarama tumatakbo sa kabila, yun mo yung i-hit mo kasi may Boelo, ganun siya maglaro.
Yep.
But again, they got 2 free throws out of this package. Yun yung magiging next progression para dito kay Quahao. Si Felebrico, yun yung hihingin sa kanya when he goes to the pro leagues na magiging guard ka eh. So you have to recognize yung the players that you're playing with inside the floor.
Well, you really have to read the floor para rito kay Ian Quahao. As Barba has the ball once again. Trying to get it inside.
There you go.
And Barba misses. Naghahanap siya ng foul doon.
Wala, hindi tatawagan.
Felebrico. Walang tinamaan as Africana gets the rebound. Mag-isa si Barba, hindi nakita ni Balingayan. But Villegas on the open court. Mintis para kay Villegas as Felebrico drops it off to Ricio.
Basic na basic. Pass it to Delarama, extra pass. Felebrico making a play. Dropping it off. Christian Ricio right there. Sweet spot, tutukan.
You love a big man that's running.
Oh yeah.
Para rito kay Ricio as Versosa.
Lalo na pag perimeter scoring team. Kasi alam mo dominate ng mga kakampi niya yung bola. Pero dito may sagot si Ato Barba.
From the 3 this time for Ato. He is back para dito sa LPU. Ricio against Abrigana. Gives it to Felebrico muna. Attempt to shoot for the red shirt.
Masahe.
Minamama. Ito na naman yung... Nako, may foul ang itatawag against LPU. But you love those passing lanes na binabasa nitong si Felebrico.
Aha. Anyway, Delarama, attacker kasi, and Felebrico, their best, might be the best player all around, recognizing that, Ricio, yun yung mga kailangan mo sa bigs eh. If you're running, your guard should reward you.
Ito naman yung pasa mula kay Versosa. Speaking of passing big man, para dito naman sa LPU. At hindi siya pinayaan ni Ato Barba rito.
Parang pagka pagka may mga, alam mo saan mo dadalhin yung bola. Ito, scorer namin, kailangan mahawakan niya yung bola. Yung big man ko, rumi-rebound, nagsisend na magandang screen, bigyan ko ng isang beses. Diba? Yung mga ganyan para lang yung continuity, yung vibe ng team mo, laging up eh.
Reward ang tawag dyan.
Exactly. Mabubuisit yan pagka screen na screen, tapos pag libre, di mo pinasahan. Pero pag pinasahan ka naman pag big, i-shoot mo naman. Kasi hindi ka na makakaulit pag hindi mo sinut pag binigyan ka.
Para magdadalawang isip na, papasa ko pa ba sa'yo?
Oo, ba?
But for Ricio, malaki ang tiwala ni Felebrico sa kanya.
21 na ini-score. Might be his NCAA career high.
21 points, 4 rebounds for Christian Ricio.
Pang MOA pala laruan yan.
Tawad pala dito lagi, no? We have a ball game right now. 5 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Tatlo ang inahabol ng San Sebastian. Now Barba. He loves this kind of game. Gives it to Abregana. 6 to shoot. Barba. Mula sa malayo. Barba! Again from the 3!
They got answers.
23 points for Ato Barba. Quahao. To Felebrico. Drops it off to Castor again.
Neil
The
Gastor.
playmaking of TJ.
I'm telling you, yan yung hihingin sa kanya. And now, interior passing kumakagat para dito sa offense ng San Sebastian. Being a little bit more unselfish.
Barba, maghihingi ba rito ulit? But Villegas muna. Villegas
Wala silang makuha dun sa zoom nila.
almost lifting that ball. Now Versosa spins. And he
Travel.
will be called for a 3
3
seconds violation.
Dalawa pa nga pwedeng itawag.
Traveling din.
Traveling or 3 seconds. Kasi dito pagkasalo.
And look at this, Africana to Barba. Ganito kalayo naman talaga.
Kung 4 yun eh.
Sinasabihin ko pa lang eh. Preparation?
Oo, dapat.
4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this game. 73 to 69. Felebrico has the ball now. Against the defense of Versosa. Gives it to Lumanag. 2-man game once again. Felebrico fakes to De La Rama. 2 to shoot. De La Rama drives, misses, but Felebrico is there. Look at De La Rama scrambling for loose ball. De La Rama misses. Third try, misses once again. What an effort from Juniel.
Laban lang. Pero at least gusto mo, nakikita mo na kinukuha nila yung bola. Kailangan lang ma-shoot. Di talaga sila makadiin pa rito. Di makalapit.
Here's Ato, 8 to shoot for the gray shirts. Ato drives.
Huli.
Ito na ang depensa. Kuwahao, lays it in.
Hindi pa mabitin. A good transition basket there. So now they need to make a stop. Another stop for San Sebastian.
De La Rama has 17 big rebounds.
6-1, no?
A Calvin Abueva type coach, ha?
Scotty Thompson nga
Oo, eh. Villegas to Versosa, fakes. Jumper, misses. Felebrico with a rebound. Hinanap si De La Rama
Atake.
dito. Umatake, block there! But Felebrico was there to clean up the mess.
Kita mo yun? Forward pass, sprint down. Yan yung DNA. Ito ni Felebrico. He's a hustle type of player, but now he's being a playmaker.
Another tied ball game at 7-3. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. This is a game we're expecting before the start of the game. Ito, De La Rama batting it out against everyone to get that rebound. He now has 17 rebounds in this game. Hindi sumusuko, Coach Hammer.
Wala. Bawal sumuko, bawal masaktan, bawal may maramdaman pag ganyan. Kailangan buhos ka lang. Kasi lalong-lalo na, ayaw mong mabaon sa team standings. Ayaw mong maging 0-3. May pagkakataon ka ngayon na kuhanin yung panalo. Nandiyan na rin. Ibuhos mo na. Andiyan ka na lang din eh.
And for San Sebastian, they're trying everything to get their first win of the season. Well, same with LPU. It's just that sobrang ramdam natin yung gigil ng San Sebastian to get this
Kasi
game.
hindi sila makashoot eh. Para makatapla ka, di ka makashoot, kailangan sipagan mo. Kapag tutulog-tulog ka rito sa San Sebastian, wala, ngangat-ngating ka nila, nangangat-ngatin. Eh yun naman eh, trademark yan ng mga batang teams. Parang JRU din. JRU, ganyan din. Hindi mo pwedeng pabueluhin kasi ngangat-ngating ka din, nangangat-ngatin. Hindi yan papayag na yuyuko na lang sila, tatanggapin nila lahat sa bodega. Ay, hindi. Babawi din, may counter punch din kami.
And right now, LPU has the ball now. 2 and 59 seconds remaining. Ato to Moralejo. He's been quiet. Aurigue misses. That's an unexpected from Aurigue.
Oo, kasi tinakbo nila yung zipper screen para kay Villegas. Gusto nila makakreate ng tira off that action.
Felebrico has the ball. Now to Quahao. Medyo masikip. Castor. Misses. Look at that rebound. And now Felebrico fakes. What a defense there from LPU.
There you go. This is who you want the ball with.
Barba. Lays it in. Off the reverse. Misses. Tatakbo na.
Uy!
Oh!
What pass?
That's a lazy pass. And
Bad
Versosa
pass.
was fouled on the way up.
Oh! That was a bad pass by TJ Felebrico. He was expecting na nakababa na si Versosa. Binagsak lang niya yung bola doon. You know, lazy eh. Eh, itong si Versosa parang...
Ang haba eh.
Oo.
Daniel de la Rama.
What an effort from Versosa.
For Mr. Filipico. Shooting 2 shots.
What a game we're having right now.
Yun lang. Pagkakataon sana nilang lumamang yun. But of course, you gotta take care of that basketball.
Still, coach, no? Hindi pa sila lumalamang dito sa laban nito for San Sebastian. They had so many chances, coach. Hindi lang nako-convert ito mga
Exactly.
atake ng San Sebastian.
Tsaka yung good stop na nga eh. Nakuha na nila yung bola. They just want to make a basket or engage their offense to find a shot that they would like.
Versosa makes both free throws. Another chance for San Sebastian to tie this game up or pwede ring take the lead. Castor pulls up, misses. Look at that rebound from Lumanag.
Extra possessions lumalaban dito ang San Sebastian. Nobody boxing these guys out. And they keep on crashing the boards.
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Moralejo has the ball. Aurigo with a pick. Rizo against Moralejo. Moralejo dancing. Nakawala sa depensa. Drops it off. Versosa fakes. Fires. Misses. Telerama with yet another board. A chance for San Sebastian once again to take the lead. Quahao gets it to Telerama. Lumanag, 7 to shoot for the red shirt. Are they aware? Telerama swings it to Lumanag from the 3. Misses! Under a minute remaining.
Roller popper.
Still tied at 75. Barba spins. Nawala ang bola. Gives it to Moralejo. 8 to shoot for the gray shirts. Moralejo against Castor. Moralejo steps back. Misses. Telerama with another rebound. Quahao has the ball. 15 to shoot. Rizo with a pick. Now Lumanag swings it to Telerama. 7 to shoot for the red shirts. Telerama drives, kicks it out. Castor misses, but Rizo is there. And there will be a foul. No. Tinribol sa labas.
Oh, stepping on the line.
Timeout LPU Pirates.
What a game, coach. We're still tied at 75. Pagbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. We're back here at the Mall of Asia Arena as we see Mr. Efren Jose Supan.
Coach Ball.
Yan. No, dito sa atin, napakaganda laban. Next game ang JRU, ha?
Game yan.
Pinel Blazers, Sir Manuel Raymond Castellano.
Coach Dax.
Magandang laro ang napapanood nila ngayon.
Of course.
We're tied at 75. LPU and San Sebastian Golden Stags, and the ball is now with the LPU Pirates. what a game we're having here. As we see here, the chances from San Sebastian. It's just that they are not converting. Same with LPU, they had chances.
Yep.
Lalo itong tira ni Moralejo na to, coach.
Diyan ang mga point blank shots, nga makeable shots. But now 13 seconds, you want to milk the clock as much as you can. Yan yung last stepping on the line, Christian Richo. So ito, gusto mo, kukuha ka lang ng tira around the 6-second mark. Both teams, LPU still has 3 more fouls to give. Dalawang timeout pa ang San Sebastian. Wala nang timeout dito ang LPU.
You have Barba, Versosa, Villegas, Moralejo at Daileg para rito sa opensa ng LBU Pirates. But you know, who wants that ball? 13 to shoot for LBU Pirates. This is for the win. For LBU, Villegas, 7 to shoot. Villegas steps back, fires, a jumper, misses! Scrambling for loose ball. And 4 quarters are not enough para sa laban na to. We're going to overtime.
Let's go.
We are going to overtime.
After those chances, look at the shot by Renz Villegas. Nakuha niya yung ganong gusto niyang move, coach eh. Hindi lang nakakuha ng magandang tira.
Well, andun din yung depensa ni Castor na challenge and they were able to withstand that attack. So another 5 minutes.